Welcome. In front of me I have SUUNTO Vertical 2 and I'm gonna show you how to customize the widget menu on this watch. First let's open the widget menu. To do it, wake up the screen on your watch, then swipe up on the home screen to open the widgets. And here we have the list of widgets. And what we can do with this menu is basically turn on and off the widgets to hide them, basically. So if you turn off the widget, it will disappear from this menu, and if you enable it, it will appear. And to do this, you can scroll down, tap on Customize, and then select Widgets, and tap on it. And here we have the list of widgets, and as you can see, all of them have this button, and you can tap on the button to turn it off or on. And if you turn off the widgets, like I said before, they will disappear from the menu. As you can see, they're gone now. And if you enable them, they will appear. So if we enable them back on, they should appear again on the menu. Oh yeah, now they're back after we reopened the menu. As you can see, they're back. So basically that's how you can customize this menu to your liking. You can basically turn off something you don't need to and turn on stuff you like. And that's about all. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.